Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviword. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful fascinator. Okay, I used a pot cover to get this shape. You can see the way it's curvy, right? Okay, I used my cinnamon and let's put together. Cinnamon is very expensive now, so I usually like mixing it with net. So here is the fabric I'm using to cover it. So I just covered it, adding the glue on the inner side. You know how we usually do it, right? I wouldn't like to add glue at the outer part because I wouldn't want the the glue to be showing on it. Okay, so you see I'm just using my hand to press it down like this on the inner side. That's the best way to do it. And I discovered I was kind of light, so I decided to double it. So I'm adding the glue again. Just put it over and press it down. I'm trimming off the excess. So here is what we have. It's looking so beautiful. This is pure white. And I'm going to go ahead to also cover the crown. So now both are ready, both the crown and the brim. And thereafter, I'm going to join them together. Before then, I'm just trying to add my bias on the rough edges. Now I'm done with it, so I have also stitched them together. I'll go ahead and cut here now, like this. Yep. So this is it. You can see the inner part, right? So that's where the head is going to enter. So I'm going to go ahead right now and use my bias to cover the inner part as well, like this. Okay, so it's ready. Now I went a step ahead to add my feathers, this part of the embellishment, and I also added my elastic. I'll also add my band as well. This is the embellishment I'm using. This stone, is this stone or what is it even called? I pulled it out from a bag and I discovered that the bag was quite old and I knew that this thing will be useful. So you can see I was just cutting them in square or rectangular shapes, and at the end of the day I did it. You can see I already added the hairband. So this is it. Isn't it beautiful? Very simple and nice. They want to use it for baptism. This is beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a very big thumbs up. Help us to share this video. Okay, share and stay. Subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. You are not paying for subscribing. It's absolutely free of charge. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos till I come your way again next time. Can you see this beautiful girl? Have you seen a beautiful girl lately? Okay, I'm going to call it a day here. See you in my next video. Bye.